According to foreign industrial insiders at the ongoing Auto Shanghai 2023, Chinese new energy vehicles are gaining popularity overseas for their good performance. MG, a brand of Chinese automaker SAIC Motor Corporation Limited, released last September an electric vehicle MG Mulan to target the overseas markets.
The MG4 fits very well to the market because on one hand the design on the outside is really modern and the inside is with all this entertainment, it's really nice to use.
In March, the monthly overseas sales of MG Mulan exceeded 10,000 units, setting a new record.
MG4 just launched last November in Thailand and it's what a good feedback from media, from the customer, and people would like to own the MG4 because they have a lot of unique selling points such as the rear-wheel drive and such as a front drive, right? And it's global EV since it's come in the beginnings.
According to China Association of Automobile Manufacturers, China's auto exports reached 3.11 million units in 2022, up 54.4% year-on-year. NEVs comprises an important pillar of China's auto industry in 2022, with its export volume reaching 679,000 units.